Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do autofill on the Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So autofill is a features or tools that we can use for filling the cells, the columns, or the rows on the Google Sheet, so that we will not gonna fill the cells manually, so we can fill them with automatically. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheets, and after that go to documents. Here I already have the documents that I want to show you as the example. So here I use this to translate from English, Indonesia, and Korea. So means that for the first rows, for the first each rows here is containing the format or the formula to get the translations on the Google Sheets. So now I don't want to like type the formula once by one in the cell, so I want to do the autofill. So how to do the autofill? So you have to make sure that you click the first row, the rows that already have the formula on it, and after that you just need to make sure that you block all the column that you want to fill the same informations to, and after you're done you just need to click and hold. And after that there will be appear several options here. Since we want to do autofill, just go click autofills, and now another cells is already filled up automatically by the system with the same formula on it. That's all the way how to do autofill on a Google Sheet application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.